Dead battery? Now you need jumper cables. Then you need another vehicle. Then you need to find someone willing to help. And then you need to figure out which clamp goes where. There is a better way. Welcome to the Type S Garage. I'm Isaac, and today we're going to take a look at our latest and safest jump starter family yet. Meet the Type S PowerGuide series, our most intuitive and worry-free jump starters yet. They feature patented Cross-Jump Polarity Safety Technology. Unlike traditional jump starters, Cross-Jump technology allows you to safely connect to either battery terminal without worrying about identifying positive or negative connections. No sparks, no guesswork. Whether you drive a car, SUV, or truck, there's a PowerGuide model designed for your needs. The PowerGuide 1000 amp is ideal for everyday drivers. The 1500 amp adds extra capability for larger SUVs and trucks. And the larger PowerGuide 2000 delivers maximum starting power for larger engines in demanding situations. Every PowerGuide model features exclusive Cross-Jump Polarity Safety Technology, helping eliminate one of the most intimidating parts of jump starting while making the process easier for everyone, including drivers who may have difficulty distinguishing colors. Simple, safe, powerful, Type S PowerGuide jump starters are your ultimate roadside assistant. Inside the package, you'll find a PowerGuide jump starter power bank, a set of cross-jump cables with integrated smart controller, one 12-volt USB vehicle charger, one USB-C charging cable, and a storage bag. The built-in PowerGuide display provides animated step-by-step instructions that guide you through the jump starting process from start to finish. The display also provides real-time charging information for both the jump starter and connected mobile devices. Using the PowerGuide jump starter is simple. First, press the power button to turn on the jump starter. Next, locate the rubber flap marked with the jumper cables icon. Open the flap and connect the jumper cables to the jump starter. Once connected, the PowerGuide display will instruct you to connect the clamps to the vehicle battery. You can connect red to red and black to black as normal. But if you're unsure which terminal is which, or simply in a hurry, Cross-Jump Polarity Safety Technology allows you to safely connect to either battery post. Once the clamps are connected, the PowerGuide display will instruct you to turn on your vehicle. Keep in mind that batteries with extremely low charge may require multiple jump start attempts. After the vehicle starts, the display will instruct you to remove the clamps. Finally, recharge the jump starter so it's ready to go next time. If your vehicle doesn't start, it doesn't necessarily mean there's a problem with the jump starter. Common issues could be a dead or damaged battery, a frozen battery during extreme cold, corroded or loose battery terminals, a faulty starter or solenoid, a failing alternator, blown fuses or wiring issues, ignition or security system faults, or sulfated battery plates caused by long-term discharge. If you've tried starting your engine 3 or more times and it still won't start, we recommend having your vehicle inspected by a qualified technician for further diagnostics. Flashing lights and audible alerts don't necessarily indicate a problem. They're designed to guide you through the jump start process and help identify connection issues. In many cases, flashing LEDs or beeping simply indicate that the clamps are not making a secure connection to the battery terminals. For additional details, refer to the Polarity Protection Circuit Status Table located on the back of the smart controller, or consult the user manual. If your vehicle shuts off shortly after starting, or immediately after disconnecting the jumper cables, it may indicate a problem with the vehicle's charging system. We recommend having the vehicle inspected by a qualified technician for proper diagnosis. The PowerGuide display provides real-time charging information, allowing you to monitor watts, volts, amps, and battery percentage while charging the jump starter. When charging connected mobile devices, the display also shows outbound charging information, giving you greater visibility into your power usage. Both the PowerGuide 1000 and 1500 feature 65-watt USB-C power delivery, along with high-speed USB-A charging. The PowerGuide 2000 amp steps up to 100 watt USB-C power delivery, providing enough power to charge larger devices, including many 16-inch laptops. Every PowerGuide jump starter includes an integrated flashlight and an emergency safety lantern. Both lights feature standard illumination, strobe mode, and emergency SOS mode. The safety lantern can also switch between bright white light to an emergency red illumination. To use the flashlight, turn on the jump starter. Press the flashlight button once for standard light mode. Press it again for strobe. Press it a third time for the safety SOS emergency mode. Press it once more to turn it off. To activate the safety lantern, turn on the jump starter. Press the lantern button once for standard mode. Press it again for strobe. Press it a third time for emergency SOS mode. Press it once more to turn it off. For emergency situations, the safety lantern can also illuminate red. Very quickly, press the lantern button twice to activate red mode. The jump starter does not need to be powered on to access this feature. Once activated, press once for strobe mode. Press again for the emergency red SOS mode. Press once more to turn the lantern off. Thanks for watching. For additional support, visit typesauto.com or contact our customer care team by phone, email, or live chat. And remember, wherever the road takes you, Type S jump starters are your ultimate roadside assistant.